1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, that is the number of stars the Renault Triber has scored in the recently concluded Global NCAP crash test. Global NCAP has been running a Safer Cars for India campaign since a few years now. The evaluation of the test by the Global NCAP have resulted in a 4-star rating for adult occupant safety and a 3-star rating for child occupant safety, making the Renault Triber the safest 7-seater tested to date in the mass market segment in India. The model that was tested was the most basic variant of the Renault Triber that gets dual front airbags, ABS and seatbelt reminders for the front passengers as standard. However, it is worth noting that the top-end variants of the Triber come with 4 airbags and 7 safety features as standard. When the vehicle was subject to the frontal offset deformable barrier test at 64 km/h, Global NCAP found that the protection offered to the head and neck of the front adult occupants was good. The Renault Triber is based on the CMFA platform, and we have mentioned it multiple times during our reviews as well that this platform is very modular and capable. The Renault Triber was launched in India in 2019, and last year in 2020 we got the AMT update as well. The Renault Triber is priced from ₹5.5 to ₹7.92 lakhs ex-showroom Mumbai. The vehicle offers flexible seating configurations with more than 100 layouts, and you can adjust the seats however you like, and that really adds to the practicality factor. Moreover, the Renault Triber is now offered with dual-tone exteriors as well with all the colors, and this vehicle already has more than 80,000 customers in India. Customers have loved the value for money proposition of the Renault Triber in terms of its outstanding quality, modularity, attractive design and modern features coupled with superior value packaging. In fact, the Triber has also played a key role in the expansion plans of Renault in India. The vehicle was conceived, developed and produced in India for Indian customers first before the French automaker took it to the rest of the world. And last year, Renault started exports of the Triber from India to South Africa and the SAARC region as well. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.